All right, so we take question number 3. Question number 3 says, in solving the quadratic equation x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. The roots are dash. This is actually a fill in the gap question. It's actually a fill in the gap question, so you have to put in the answers. So the answers going to be 2, so it will be A, B, right? For example, but that's not the answer. But that's how you fill in the answer. So you don't fill in 3, 2, or maybe A, B, for example. So there have to be a comma because there are 2 roots. So now this quadratic equation, you can use factorization method or using the quadratic formula, the ones people call the almighty formula. But let's use the factorization method. So it's just a very quick one. You can open 2 brackets. You have x here and x here because you have x squared. It's a quadratic equation. So you have 1x here, 1x here. So you consider 2, we are looking at this 4x plus 3. You look at 2 numbers that when you multiply them, it will give you 3. When you add them up, it will give you 4. Let me take that again. 2 numbers or 2 factors, 2 numbers, when you multiply them, the result will be 3. For example, A times B will be equal to 3. Then A plus B should give you minus 4. That's what I'm talking about now. So let's consider 2 factors. If we look at 2 factors now, another thing you need to look at here is sometimes you may think of a particular number. For example, if you think of 3 times 1, 3 times 1, 3 times 1 is actually equal to what? 3. But how about 3 plus 1 is actually equal to 4. But no, we have issues here now. This is a plus and this is a minus. So your result shouldn't just be 4, because this 4 here now is like a plus 4. So your result should give you minus 4. So you look at 2 numbers that should give you minus 4. So if you do, remember signs, that minus times minus is equal to plus. Plus times minus is equal to minus. Plus times plus is equal to plus. Minus times plus is equal to minus. So you need to look at something now. So this is for multiplication of signs. This is the rules for multiplication of signs. How about addition? So if you have minus plus minus is equal to what? Minus. So let's look at 2 numbers now. So it's going to be what? Minus 3 plus minus 1 will give us what? This is going to be minus 3. This times this is going to be minus 1. So it's like saying I'm owing Emeka 1 naira, 3 naira, and I'm owing Joy 1 naira. So I'm finally owing both of them and what? I'm in debt of 4 naira. So this is the minus 4. So if we have there minus 3 times minus 1 is minus times minus from the rule gives us plus. So we have plus 1. So the 2 factors are what? Minus 3 and what? Minus 3 and minus 1. Are we good to go? If you look at them now, so you have what? Minus 3 and minus 1. Those are the factors. Those are the 2 factors that you have. Thank you.